Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting precise track details so you can verify ownership quickly. First, grab the exact title, artist, album, and the upload URL or local file. This reduces false matches. Once done, note timestamps of the segment you care about and any metadata like SRC or publisher names. Make sure to open YouTube Music and, if you have access, Creator Studio or Content ID tools so you can run comparisons and queries without guesswork. Next, you identify copyright signals by searching YouTube Music for exact uploads, official channels, and cover versions. This shows probable ownership. Then, make direct comparisons. Run the file through Content ID if available, or use Shazam and waveform analyzers to confirm audio fingerprints. Also inspect metadata fields like SRC, publisher, and copyright statements because they often resolve ambiguous cases. Once you have matching evidence, document each result to support takedown disputes or usage requests. Finally, conclude by deciding your action. If the track is claimed by rights holders, request a license or follow YouTube's claim procedures. If it's unclaimed and matches public domain or Creative Commons, you can proceed with attribution. If ownership remains unclear, contact the uploader or publisher and share your evidence. If things go wrong, retry fingerprinting, re-extract metadata, and escalate to platform support with documented timestamps and comparisons to resolve disputes faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.